In this episode, we'll learn how to create classes in Java. We'll also understand why we use them and how they help us organize our code. What is a class? A class in Java is like a plan or blueprint for making objects. It tells us what an object should have and what it should be able to do. Imagine you want to build a car. Instead of building it from scratch every time, you use a blueprint that tells you the car has wheels, the car has a color, the car has an engine, the car can drive, stop, or honk. This blueprint doesn't produce the car itself. It just describes what a car should look like and how it should behave. In Java, this blueprint is called a class. Once you have a class, you can create multiple objects based on that one design. To gain a better understanding, we will now create a class using IntelliJ. Open the project we created in the previous episodes. Right-click on the My App package, select New, then choose Java class. Give your class a name. Here, attention by Java convention, class names should start with an uppercase letter, like car. Press enter. You're seeing this message to add the file to Git because Git is keeping track of changes in our project. Click on add. Here is our class. The keyword public means that this class can be accessed from any other class in your program. The keyword class is used to define a class. And here our class name. And the curly braces defines the body of the class, where you will write the actual code that describes the variables and methods. So the car class is now a blueprint, and in future videos we'll learn how to use this blueprint. Please keep practicing to enhance your learning. Thanks for watching. You can find all the course materials on my GitHub. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support is appreciated. See you in the next episode.